AP Statistics is an interesting course, relatively easy. So if you have a long vision for appearing for international programs, you can start your preparation right from your 10th grade and appear for this AP Statistics even after your 10th grade examination. The AP Statistics is relatively moderate in difficulty. The only thing that is important is it requires an analytical and a logical approach. Students appearing for computers, appearing for data science or business studies, economics are some of the students who would require AP Statistics as one of the important courses that they must cover to skip the course in their respective universities. Now, as I said, statistics is not one of the subjects, be it your CBSE syllabus or ICSE syllabus. So what you need to do is you have to start your preparation for statistics right away separately. Around 30 hours of lectures if you go through with 60 hours of practice, I would say it's more than sufficient to crack with a score of 4 on 5 at least, right? Another important thing is if you are appearing for, let's say, IB, under IB, if you have maths HL, you would get a benefit if you are preparing for AP Statistics. Similarly, if you have A level S2, then again in the Cambridge program, then again you would have benefit for AP Statistics. So AP Statistics definitely a good option, a scoring option. You should definitely cover this as one of the courses in order to also reduce your tuition fees if you are an international student.